friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making sour cream and onion dip. This recipe is so easy, no cooking is needed, all you need is a blender. Here are very simple ingredients. We have a bunch of green onions, so there's 6 of them. We have sour cream, salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. So we need 1 cup of sour cream. It's already pre-measured, and I'm going to add it to my blender. And next I'm going to chop the onions. So I'm just going to roughly chop them because the blender is going to chop them even smaller. I just want to make it easier for it to be blended. And these onions I washed before making the video, and I also cut off the ends of the stems so they're prepared. And now I'm going to add the seasonings to the sour cream. So we need, for 1 cup of sour cream, we need half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. And now I will add the onion. And let's close the blender. And I will shake it to distribute it more evenly, and let's process it until we blend it. So from time to time, if it's not blending right away, you can just shake it to distribute it and keep doing it until it's smooth. So now it's almost done, and again I'm going to shake it some more. And looks like it's done. So let me just check. Perfect, so it's all blended together. Amazing. And let me add it to the bowl. Perfect. And now let's try it. So for this dip, we need chips. And let me try it with a chip. It looks so good. I love sour cream and green onion dip. Look at that. So good. It tastes as good as it looks. It's so full of sour cream and green onion flavor. There's so many green onions there, and you can really taste them, and it's so fresh, so delicious. If you love sour cream and you love green onions, you need this dip. You're gonna love it, and it's so easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!